Hi there, this is William from willtan.com. In this video, I will show you how to create an email account and to add a forwarder. Once you log into your cPanel, go to Email Accounts. Under here, you can create unlimited emails. For example, support@yourdomainname.com. Type in the password for your email account. Repeat the password again, and then click Create Account. So you can see here the support at domain name, the email accounts created. Now once you created the email accounts, it is a good practice to add a forwarder. With many domain names that you're going to have, it is good to add a forwarder for the email that you have just created. Support at the domain name, forward it to the email that you commonly use and check every day. For example, my Gmail. And click Add a Forwarder. So you can see that now the email that you have just created will be forwarded to your common Gmail, which you will read and check every day.